Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Vijay. I would like to thank all my new subscribers, and I'm asking sorry for not uploading a video for last 2 months, I guess. So actually I was preparing for a competition, that is ICN, that is I Compete Naturally. I competed in that competition in the category of fitness model, first timer. This was my first competition. Even though I secured only a competitor medal, but still on those period of time, like around 50 days of prep, I learned so many things. I did a lot of research. That is what the positive thing here. Even most of my friends, even they said like, to compete also you need to struggle a lot. That is true actually. I like it. So that's all. So we'll move on to the today's topic. Actually, we are still continuing the triceps exercise only. We have still two more to finish. So one is triceps push down, another one is triceps skull crushers. So today we are discussing a triceps push down. Okay, here you can, so anyhow, the anatomy. The anatomy is like, this is a long head, this is a short head, and this is a medial head. These are the origins and the insertion. So now let us understand the technical part with the help of load and force diagram. So you can clearly see here, this is the initial position, this is the final position. So in the initial position, so this is the weight, which is the weight plates, and because of the weight, there is a resistance creating in the cable, and you are actually taking it down. So that means you are applying a force in the downward direction. That means, so here, as per the load and force diagram, in the initial position, force and the resistance which is created due to the weight is exactly opposite to each other. Okay, then that is, so here it is a line of effort which you are creating with the help of muscle, and this is the line of force, you can say, or line of resistance, you can say. So okay, this is line of action also, you can say. So this is the line of effort, this is the line of action or line of resistance or line of force. Okay, both are in parallel to each other. So that is what the scenario here. So whenever you are performing exercise, throughout the repetition, your line of effort as well as your line of force or resistance should be parallel with each other. So now we'll move on to the final position. So when you are doing this, so usually people will do, so when you are here, you are creating a pressure in this direction. That means the pressure is the force you are creating in this direction, not actually a pressure, a force you are creating in this direction. That means at this position, the force will be in this direction. So what I am telling you is, if you consider, so if you are doing in this way, so you can clearly see the force and the effort line is not in a parallel. That means you are unnecessarily you are creating a pressure on the joints, and it is not effective completely for your triceps. Even though you feel like you are engaging triceps, but it is not completely as per the load and force diagram, it is not the right way to perform. So how to perform it right way? So when you are here, you need to push it away from you. That is what you need to do. So that means the force which you are creating, that is going in the downward direction, that is away from you, and even you can clearly see here the resistance line or the force line, the line of force or line of resistance, or even the line of action is parallel with the line of effort. This is what the line of effort. So this is what the line of effort. This is actually parallel with the, so you can call it as line of resistance, or you can call it as line of action, or you can call it as line of force. These two are parallel with each other. These two are parallel with each other. That is what the actual load and force diagram will say. This is how you should perform to get a more benefit from the exercise. Okay, this is what the complete technical part. So if you are confused bit, you can go back and rewind it and then watch it again. If you get any doubt, please put it in the comment section. I will answer it in the next video. So this is completely our technical part. So now let's move on to the practical part. So these are the things you can use it for doing the push down. Even there are so many different handles also will be there. V handles will be there. Even you can use all those handles. So now I am using the strike bar. I am using this one now. So you can clearly observe. So wait. So this is what you can say the line of action or line of resistance or line of force. And here when you are doing it, the triceps push down. So this is what I said, the triceps muscle is moving. No? This is what I said, the line of effort. So these both should be parallel throughout the repetition. So you can see here. So I am starting in the beginning. This is the beginning or the initial position. You can take till here until you can feel the engagement in the triceps. From here, instead of, so you need to do this one. From here, push it away from you. So instead of doing this, if you are doing this, you are unnecessarily you are creating a, even whatever the load you are carrying, that is not completely coming on your triceps as well. Even unnecessarily you are putting a pressure on your joint. That you should not do it. So from here, push it down. Put it here, push it down. And there are so many, even you have seen, they do by this. Even if you are here, you should make sure the effort line and the line of action or the force, it should be again parallel. The main thing is you are not supposed to move from here to here. It should be completely stable throughout the repetition. That is very important. Even if you are coming back, even if you are maintaining a line of action in this angle, even you can take a line of effort also in this angle only. You are keeping like this and you are doing this one. Even this will also create unnecessary pressure on your joints, just because see the line of action, the line of action, line of resistance or the line of resistance or the line of force is not parallel with the effort, because effort line is here and the line of action is in this direction, which is not parallel. This is also create unnecessary pressure on your joints. So make sure if you are creating this angle in the line of action also, you need to keep this also in the same action and then push it like this. Both, the main thing is you need to make sure both the line of action as well as the line of effort should be parallel throughout the repetition. I hope you guys understood this video, understood the technique actually. So if you get any doubts, you can ping me in the comment section. So that's all for today. So this is how we need to do triceps push down. So I'll show you again. So the line of effort is here, the line of action is here. Both should be parallel throughout the repetition. To make use of it properly. So if you are doing this way, you are unnecessarily creating a pressure on your joints. Even there are so many techniques also, you can use it here. So one more, I can tell you the techniques as well. So one thing is you need to push it away from you. One thing is when you are taking it up, actually you are not leaving it up. You are resisting it not to come up because the way it is coming up. That is very important. So usually people will do this and then they will leave it. Actually you are not leaving it. You are trying to push it down only, but because of the weight it is coming down. So eccentric will be very slow. You should control it and then take it down. When you are taking it up, so you are not taking it up because the resistance is going up. So you are trying to push it down only throughout the repetition. This is very important. You should, whenever you are trying for the next time tricep push down, please keep this in mind and then try this technique. And one more thing I forgot. So one is, so you are not actually pushing the weight to contract the muscle. Actually, from the mind, the connection, the signal is coming to your triceps muscle, so that contract the triceps muscle. So from here, you are contracting the triceps muscle so that the weight is going down. That is very important. You are contracting the triceps muscle. That's the reason this is going down. So these two things you need to keep in mind, and then you can perform it. You can try it, and then share your experience as well in the comment section. So that's all for today. So I hope you guys understood both practical and theoretical part, and even I feel like you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video and if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the similar contents. And if you subscribe my channel, it will be a motivation for me to upload a similar contents like this. That's all for today. So I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.